Ah, marami.
Pagkagalingan namin lahat.
Si Sir Romy po. Yun po ang nag-imbensyon ng Jollibee. Jollibee, McDo. Oh.
That's why you McDonald's. You know, for
Puro mga scrap lang po ginamit ni Sir Romy.
taking a seat.
Scrap. Nothing. Props lang only. Props only.
There's rice on them.
Ah, there.
Styrofoam.
Crispy delicious. Chicken joy. Maybe chicken rice.
Just chicken joy. One
Ah, yan oh. Pinaandar ni Sir oh. Oh, careful. May... No. Don't do that. Ang mga makina po niyan, electric pan sa loob. Invention ni Sir Romy. Sir Romy. Hindi pa po tapos si McDonald. Hindi pa napapagalaw yung kamay. Ayan po yung motor ng mga pagpapagalaw ng mga Jollibee, McDo.
Ayan, so. Paangarin ko. Ayan. Paangarin ko para alam nila.
Pag pinaandar po yan, kikilos na yung mga...
Ayan,
Ayan, naandar na.
Ayan,
Naandar na, nagalaw na. Ayan.
ito. Ayan. Electric fan yan. Ayan.
Electric pan.
Ayan. Ito.
Maling.
Ito. Binaligtad ko yung electric fan.
Oo.
Ito yung nagpapagalaw.
Ayan po yung nagpapagalaw. Ayan po, oh, nakita nyo nagle left and right.
Motor na electric fan. Ayan.
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 Nangulit po ang kids, nakita po si Jollibee. Nagaya. Give me chicken, no more chicken yan.
There's only rice.
Props only, props.
There's only styrofoam inside. There's styrofoam inside. Daddy, the styrofoam looks like a cannon.
Yeah.
What was the chicken?
What?
Dad, you're tricking us. We don't want it.
Don't do that.
That's chicken joy. After that's the pretend. How did it come out?
Say hi.
It's scary. Has red eyes.
Oh, si ano?
Ronald McDonald.
Who's this?
Ronald McDonald.
No, there.
Vincent's toys.
Vincent, who's that? Who's this?
Remember that from the TV?
Transformer?
Transformer. Yeah, I don't like a TV before.
What?
Yeah, like that TV. You're so scary, Ronald McDonald.
What's name?
Yeah, name. What's your name? Ronald McDonald. McDonald's is a connect.
Yeah, electric. Oh.
Ate, what's this? This is even pink. Ate, what's this?
Breakfast.
Ate, big breakfast. Ate,